everybody, Carolyn Crow here. Tonight we're going to celebrate Hanukkah with a big batch of Kugel, and then in another 10 days or so we'll celebrate Christmas with Kugel too. It's a really simple recipe and it's always a huge hit. No matter what or how you're celebrating, I think it's going to be a hit with your family too. So let's get started.
The first thing you're going to want to do is put on a big pot of water to par cook your noodles. You don't want to cook them all the way through. You just want them to be like 3/4 of the way done. So I've got my water on to boil. I'll just add some salt to it, pour in my noodles, and cook those for like 5 to 6 minutes. And then I'll just drain them and set them aside until I'm ready for them. Whatever the package says, just do 1 or 2 minutes less than that. While those are cooking, I will get the custard ready. Every year, my kids seem to forget what Kugel is. And they are only 4 and 6 years old, so I guess that's understandable. But every year, I explain it to them as, it's noodle pudding. It's pretty easy to comprehend, right? Okay, so I've got my eggs ready to go. If you don't have a stand mixer, a handheld mixer is just fine, and if you don't have any kind of mixer, then a whisk and some elbow grease works perfectly. So I'm going to beat this until they're nice and foamy. All right, so they're nice and foamy, and now I'm going to start adding in the sugar. Some people like Kugel really sweet for dessert. I like to serve it as a side dish, so I just want it to be moderately sweet. And when I do serve it as a side dish, I like it to be with a super savory meat, like brisket, for example. So I'm just going to gradually add this. I'm just going to get my pan ready with a little bit of pan spray. And then there's just a few more things we need to add to our custard. Cottage cheese, small curd or large curd is fine. Just make sure you get full fat. Stir that in, and then I'll stream in the butter. Ooh, it's looking so beautiful. Almost ready. Now we just need a touch of vanilla. Mix that in. And that's it. So easy. And now I'll add my egg noodles. Look at that. Usually when I make this for holidays, I end up making a double batch because everybody loves it so much. And you want to have leftover Kugel for breakfast, of course. I think my sister would call that Kugel insurance. So I'm going to pour that right into my prepared baking dish. Oh yeah. I'm going to make a little individual Kugel for my mom and drop it on her doorstep tomorrow. Straight into the oven with them, 350 degrees. So mileage will vary with baking times. Probably about an hour is going to be okay, but it could take you up to an hour and a half depending on what your oven is like. So I'll check back on that in a little while. All right, so my Kugel is done and it looks delicious. Ooh, 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 ooh. There's a beauty, huh? Our Kugel is beautifully golden brown, and when you jiggle it, it kind of wobbles like Jell-O. We're gonna have to eat this. We are having it tonight with roast beef and glazed carrots, and we're having a little mini Hanukkah celebration. Family, excuse me, family.
Yes?
Come and see me, please.
We'd love to.
Ta-da! Hello, 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 hello. Here we all are. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
Happy holidays! Happy holidays!